We are very excited to keep developing the tracks of the meetings industry in our region. This November, we continue to bring people together with purpose and passion to create connections of great value. 8 international buyers from USA, Canada, Mexico, Colombia, Spain, Ecuador, Panama, and the Dominican Republic will be discovering this exclusive Mexican destination. We'll also be welcoming the second edition of MPI's Latin America Forum of Clubs and Chapters, and also the Future Leaders Forum presented by IMEX and MPI. Reimagine Meetings, Reimagine the Mexican Caribbean, November 6th to 9th, 2023.